In front of me is OPPO Reno 15F, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First, find Recorder app on your OPPO and launch it. Then hit Agree and Continue. Select this red button and tap on Allow. Sometimes you won't have to tap on it because it's all about notifications. Either way, as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the middle one. Now your recording will automatically be saved over here. To play it, click on it, and also to manage it, check out all of those options. Like for example, adding bookmarks while listening, or checking a list of them while listening as well. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner to check out all of those options, or go back, hold recording on the list, and use them from here, like rename or a delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!